What's up, everybody? So today we're gonna be unboxing Private School, Screen Factory or Shout Factory release. You won't believe what goes on and what comes off in private school for girls. Actually, was pretty excited when Screen Factory releases. Yes. So you see that's the front cover of the Blu-ray. Spine. And the back. Alright, so we do have a couple of screenshots from the movie scene. And we also got some special features. You guys can pause and read at your own. Okay, so what we're going to do is cut the plastic off and show you guys inside. Open up for the first time. Alright guys, you can see we got the Blu-ray disc. And we also got some artwork in the back. Pretty nice. Okay guys, so yeah. So that's about it. So that's my unboxing of Private School on Blu-ray Shout Factory release. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys later.